I have some particles playing in the background, but if I look at the game scene, you can't see them at all on top of this canvas. In order to get this to work the way I want it to, there's a couple of different approaches we can take. I'll show you my preferred way first, which is to set up the canvas as instead of a screen space overlay canvas by changing it to a screen space camera canvas and then dragging in the main camera. This shrinks the canvas down to be the same scale as our Unity world units and game size. Now, if I go back and look at the game scene and click on the particles, I still won't be able to see them, but we're on the right track. Number one, when we use a screen space camera canvas, we can use sorting layers. Now, I want to use the UI layer for this canvas, which is correct. And now I'm going to go into the particles and I'm going to go to the renderer and I'm going to change its sorting layer ID to use the user interface. But just like that, we can already see them. I'm also going to move its order and layer up to 5 to guarantee that we always see them in front of the background images. That's part of the way there, but we still want the particles to appear behind this tombstone. Now here's the neat thing we can do. If we go to the tombstone, we can go ahead and just add another canvas directly onto it. This gives us a few additional options, such as the ability to override sorting. If I check this box, it's going to disappear because now it's on layer default, which is below the UI layer. But if I change it to the UI layer and then move its order and layer up to say 10, all of a sudden the particles are going to appear correctly behind the tombstone, but in front of the background image. There is just one caveat I want to point out with this, and that's what happens if we try to click on these buttons. You'll notice if I try to go ahead and click on any of these buttons, it no longer works. That's because a canvas relies on a graphics raycaster component. When you add a canvas to something like the tombstone, it does not have a graphics raycaster on it. So I do need to go to add component and type graphic raycaster, add that onto here, and then my buttons should regain functionality, which they do. Just make sure that you don't do this in play mode, or else when you unhit play, the graphic raycaster is going to disappear and you will have to add it back again one more time. But that's just something to be aware of if you do it via this approach. Now let's assume that you either want to or need to use screen space overlay. Screen space camera isn't going to work for your project for whatever reason. In this case, I have the particles attached directly to the canvas and they have a rect transform, not a transform, but other than that, they're exactly the same. You can't currently see them because in the scene view, they're appearing at the very center of the canvas, but particles, even though they have a rect transform on them, they still really just behave like 3D objects and they appear way down here. They're very tiny and they're behind the rest of the canvas. We can't actually see them right now. The best approach I've found for fixing this problem is by, in this case, using a third-party plugin, and I'll show that to you here. This is called Particle Effect for UGUI or UGUI, and I'll put the link to this in the description. But in this case here, we're just going to click on the button here that says code, and we're going to download the zip file, and then we're going to put that somewhere, maybe on the desktop, and then we can extract it. After downloading and extracting the particle system, I've just dragged it here into the plugins folder. We can see it's appearing, particle effect for UGUI-main, and of course the plugins folder just lives under the assets folder. Then, that's all I have to do. I'm just going to go to the particles here. I'm going to scroll down and I'm going to go to add component and type UI particle, and we're going to get a few options. I'm going to add this one with the little icon on it here, and I'm going to click it, and just like that, we're going to see the box has increased here, although we still can't see it. To fix that, we're going to make sure of a couple of things. Number one, that the particle system is listed here under the rendering order. If it's not, you can just click the plus button and then drag the particles in. So you would either drag the object itself in, or you could go up here and just drag the particle system directly in. Either way, it should work. And then you want to make sure that your particles are between the layers that you want them to appear. The order in the hierarchy does matter here. They're still a little small, so I can't see them, but I'm just going to drag this scale up until they appear big enough. And they're actually not playing right now, which might be part of the problem. There we go. That's actually a little too big. But if I shrink them down, then I can see that indeed they are appearing still behind the tombstone, in front of the background, and that works on a screen space overlay canvas quite efficiently. So that's pretty much it. That's how we can get particles to play on top of the Unity user interface, no coding involved. I hope that helps you out. If you have any questions, please do leave me a comment down below. We can always discuss and see if we can figure something out. Thanks very much for watching, and I will see you in the next one.